I'm outside again, as you can see. Go focus. It's almost 12 a.m. and we out. More content. Yes sir. But I'm waiting for my friend. Tambay lang ulit kami. Naantok na nga ako. Gusto ko na matulog sa... Kaso nung kinonfirm ko sa kanya kung tuloy, sabi niya G. Eddie G. I literally got an FD now. There's no excuse to not make content.
Yo!
Diyan ka lang?
Ano?
Diyan ka lang? What's up, man?
Yo, sir!
Damn, my boy's buff. Gym din ako kanina eh. Hinit ko kanina, chest. Sana may space lang dun, do. If not, palisin natin.
Dapat tinalipat. Mas masigit dun sa isa eh.
Hindi ko lang ako kasama sa parking to, ah. So, dapat may kita yung mga lumilipad dun. Dapat kita yung mga airplane dun eh. Pag naglaland, ganun. Ano, may small tataas.
Yun no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Gets?
Solid ah.
Sana may space though. Yeah. Yeah, we need it. Viewing dip. Let's see them what the hype is about. Sheesh. Sheesh, naka full exhaust siguro yun. Oh. Ano pa FD? Kahit we out. Ano yung nakita mong video, Oral?
Ano?
Ano yung nakita mong video ko?
Yung ano? Yung tayo. Yung
Saan?
sa Molito.
Okay. Uy, lumig. Dapat dito sa taas. But that was a nice spot. Ooh. Lego to me.
Sir.
How much? Ano ba yung pinapagas ko dito?
Ayun, mahal na pala.
79. 80 na. Sheesh. FD looking clean, my boy. Pogi. Thumbnail done. Shout out to Ralph. Appreciate you, twin. But we back. It's currently, I don't even know. This ain't right. Natamad na kasi ako i-wind to eh. Wala tong battery. Wala mga winder. I think masyadong sabog doon sa may ano, no? Sa may mic. Kasi di ko na lilitan yung gain nito pag Osmo Pocket eh. Pero hopefully we can adjust it sa post. So we can post it. Know what I'm saying? Yes sir. Yes sir indeed. Sobrang ganda ng FT ko, boy. Pansin ko pala lalo nang bumubuhat to. So I think need na talaga to isilan. Or else lilipad. Intact pa naman daw. So I don't think I should worry now. Ito dito ako na kinakabit yung mic. Wala, di ko makahanap yung sweet spot talaga eh. Or for now, doon na lang man sa may plate. But yeah. Pati dito, nagte-training ka.
Ka-praise eh.
Pwede ba sa ganun?
Hindi ko sure eh. Parang may nakita ko reel eh. Parang tinetesting ko eh. Parang hirap eh.
Oo nga, no? Kasi yung weight mo
Oo.
nasa edge. Nice. Bro is a gym rat now. Damn, somebody's rich, bro. Uy, free fries. Kuha na, sir. Uy, may protein yun. Cat food. Big bikes. Yes, sir, we're bouncing. We're bouncing. That's kind of sus. Sheesh. Wait. Pogi talaga, no? Saan yung Lancer mo, sir? Can't wait. Buy that shit, bro. Get in debt. Be a man. Iba nga 5 years eh. Diba? Handa silang sumugal ng car payment. Do it, bro. Be a Pinoy. Ay! Pa-record kaya ako sa'yo.
Saan? Yun o.
If you enjoyed that one, go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Lego.
Oh, I got what you need and I keep telling baby get with there outside. Doing what it is, I forgot what it is, but the end of the reason. But I kill the things that will bother me, but I do what's been alright. Meet me outside the club, 1,000 fuck shit up.